Imagine waking up tomorrow and checking your accounts to find absolute zero. No savings, no investments, just a paycheck and a pulse. The immediate instinct is panic, followed by the urge to throw money at random, complex solutions. You might hear advice to start a side business, buy real estate, or buy hot stocks, and desperately try to act on it. These are often solid strategies in a vacuum, but they are the wrong moves for someone starting from absolute zero. In personal finance, the sequence you follow matters as much as the individual actions you take. Executing an advanced financial strategy before the groundwork is laid creates a mathematical trap. Think of it like a mathematical order of operations. You can't multiply before you clear the parentheses. If you scatter the variables and try to solve them out of order, the equation fails. A specific linear sequence is required to reach the correct result. Escaping the gravitational pull of zero requires strictly obeying an unskippable 7-step sequence. The first step is generating raw, immediate income. Before optimization or budgeting can happen, you need a job, extra shifts, or freelance work. You cannot manage money that doesn't exist. As income flows in, a finite block of $500 to $1,000 must be siphoned into a locked vault. This buffer acts as a shock absorber. When unpredictable repairs hit, the vault they bounce off. Without this, unexpected expenses become new credit card debt, resetting progress. Once the buffer is active, you move to step 3, the aggressive elimination of high-interest debt. This includes credit cards, payday loans, and any balance charging double-digit rates. This chart compares high-interest debt against average investment returns. On the left, a 20% credit card rate climbs rapidly. You must pull that steep curve down to the zero axis. Eliminating this double-digit debt stabilizes your cash flow and prepares the foundation for future growth. These first 3 steps constitute a defensive phase. Their purpose is to stop financial bleeding and establish a stable baseline. With the bleeding stopped, you pivot toward the offense. Step 4 is deliberately raising your income on purpose. This means building a marketable skill, negotiating a raise with data, or starting a new side business. Removing high-interest debt payments acts as an accelerator. Every extra dollar earned now becomes freed-up capital ready to fund the next move. Step 5 takes that accelerated income and funnels it upward into a true 3 to 6 month emergency fund. This is a significant upgrade from the starter buffer in Step 2. This fund is an impenetrable fortress designed to withstand total disruptions, like a job loss or medical crisis, without collapsing the foundation you've built. Behind the heavy walls of that emergency fortress, it finally becomes mathematically safe to move to Step 6, investing. This scatterplot shows the compounding process over time. You start by capturing guaranteed returns like employer matches, then consistently deploy capital into low-cost index funds. Over decades, those contributions aggregate and multiply into a dense cluster of wealth. Once the compounding engine is running, Step 7 involves diversifying into additional income streams, like rentals or dividends, and securing legal and insurance protections for the assets you've generated. Completing this offensive phase allows your capital to function as an autonomous, self-protecting engine rather than a tool for month-to-month survival. Looking at this fully constructed 7-step sequence, notice that no individual phase requires rare genius or extreme risk. The structure is a self-reinforcing architecture. Completing each step removes a specific layer of vulnerability, making the next step more accessible and sustainable. Identify exactly which step you are currently standing on before attempting any other move. Skipping ahead to invest before high-interest debt is gone, or building an emergency fund before income is stable, risks a total collapse under pressure. The system works when each component slides into perfect alignment in its proper order. Building wealth from zero relies on a strict, logical financial order of operations rather than luck or market timing.